In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SSL in your settings to enhance your website's security. With online security becoming increasingly vital, ensuring that your site is protected with SSL can help safeguard your visitors' data and boost their trust in your online presence. SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, is a technology that encrypts data exchanged between a user's browser and your website, providing a secure connection. Let's dive in and get started on this simple yet effective process. First, you'll need to access the settings of your website platform or server where your site is hosted. This is usually as easy as logging into the admin or control panel. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head straight for the settings area. Navigating to this section might vary slightly depending on your platform, but it should be straightforward to find, often marked clearly in your dashboard. Within the settings section, you'll need to locate the security tab or option. This is where you'll manage various features related to protecting your site and its users. Security is a crucial section, and it's generally filled with several options to keep your site safe and running smoothly. But today, our focus is on enabling SSL. As you explore the security settings, look for the option that mentions SSL or Secure Sockets Layer. Once you find the Enable SSL option, go ahead and select it. This step is the core of today's tutorial. When you enable SSL, you're activating encryption protocols that will protect all traffic between your website and its visitors, ensuring that sensitive information such as passwords and personal details remains private. After enabling SSL, make sure you save your changes. This might sound like an obvious step, but it's something that can easily be overlooked, especially when you're multitasking. Saving your changes ensures that the SSL settings take effect. It's a good practice to check if there's a confirmation message or a status indicator that change has been successful. This small action guarantees your updates are applied and helps avoid any unnecessary troubleshooting later on. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled SSL on your website. To confirm that everything is working correctly, visit your website and check for a padlock symbol in the browser's address bar, typically next to your site's URL. This is a clear indicator that SSL is active and your site